body is a temple.
Ny vatanao dia
That's
tempoly.
where God stays.
Izay ny toerana itoeran'i Jesosy. Midika izany fa raha mandeha ianao dia mandeha Jesosy, rehefa miteny ianao dia miteny Jesosy, rehefa manao business ianao dia manao business Jesosy. Ianao mety mieritreritra hoe ny renao niteraka anao fotsiny, tsia. Ny renao dia
Prepared for Jesus to enter.
teraka ny vatanao mba hahatonga an'i Jesosy hitoetra ao aminy. Hebreo toko
And we start from verse
folo
number 5.
andiny fadimy.
Wherefore, when
Koa
he
noho
comes
niditra
into the
tamin'izao
world,
fiainana
he
izao izy
says,
dia nanao hoe
sacrifice
ny
and
fanatra
offering
alatsadra
I did
sy
not
ny
want.
fanatra hoanina tsy mba nilainao
But a body you
fa
prepared
teny
for
no
me. I
namboarinao
want to tell you
ho ahy.
this. Jesus, when he came here, he
Jesosy
said,
tamin'izy
a
tonga teto
body
dia niteny izy hoe
you prepared for me.
vatanao izy no
There
nomanina
were
ho
no
ahy.
sacrifices,
Tsy nisy fanatitra tao,
no offerings.
tsisy
From you,
sorona
God, my
tao
Father.
avy aminao Andriamanitra
But you
raiko,
prepared a body
fa ianao
for me.
kosa nanomana vatana ho ahy.
So, come, Prophet Hara. So, Prophet Hara is here.
Tipy aminany ity izao izy
As
eto
a body.
araka
Jesus
ny hoe
is here.
vatana
Are you
izy
still
dia
flowing?
eto ihany koa Jesosy.
And the Bible says
Ary ny Baiboly dia
what
miteny
God
hoe
prepared was a body for
zavatra
Jesus who was the
noman'Andriamanitra
Spirit.
dia
Jesus said,
vatana ho an'i
"When
Jesosy.
before I came into the
Hoy
world,
Jesosy hoe alohana tonga
all I
avako teto
needed was a
an-tany
body to
zavatra
get in.
nilaiko dia vatana ahafahako miasa
there was no
eto,
body.
fa tsy nisy vatana.
But God looked for a woman
Dia
called
teo
Mary
Andriamanitra nitady vehivavy manana anarana hoe Maria
and prepared a body for
ary
Jesus.
nanomana vatana ho an'i Jesosy.
So Jesus arrives on
Ka
earth
tonga
as a
zany
spirit,
Jesosy teto tany amin'ny mafanahy
enters
azy,
a woman's body,
niditra tao amina vatana vehivavy,
and then enters a body,
dia niditra tao amina vatana amin'izay.
and then is born after entering a body.
Dia teraka izy tao aoriana
Jesus is
nidirany tao
saying,
anatina
I
vatana
needed
anankiray.
a body to be
Dia hoy
able to
Jesosy hoe
operate
mila
on
vatana mba ahafahako miasa eto ambony tany.
You're still not getting what I'm talking about.
Tsy azonao ilay zavatra tiako hatongavana.
Now, so he enters a body.
Niditra tao amin'ny vatana izy zany
So what you see as Jesus
zavatra
walking
hitanao hoe Jesosy mandeha iny
is not Jesus
dia
walking.
tsy hoe Jesosy mandeha,
Jesus is inside the
fa
body
i
he's
Jesosy
walking
ao
in.
anatin'ilay vatana izay andehanany.
So Jesus is the body.
I Jesosy no vatana.
Christ is the
I
one
Kristy
inside.
le mitoetra ao anatin'io vatana io.
Hear me well and hear me well because we're about to fly.
Eno tsara ity satria efa nomboka
the
anidiny
biggest
tsika.
problem is
Ka
you
olana
think you are
zany
you.
amin'izao ianao mieritreritra hoe ianao io ihany.
Yet the Bible says in Ephesians 5:13,
Kanefa ny Baiboly
"For we
miteny ao
are
amin'ny boky ny Efesiana toko
members of
fadimy
his
andiny
body,
fatelopolo hoe isika
of his
dia
flesh,
iray vatana
and
aminy,
of
iray
his
nofo
bones."
aminy ary iray taolana
That
aminy.
means when you are walking, Jesus
Dika
is
izany
walking.
na raha
When
mandeha
you
ianao dia
talk,
mandeha
Jesus
Jesosy,
is
raha
talking.
miteny
When
ianao
you
dia
do
miteny
business,
Jesosy,
Jesus
raha
is
manao
doing
business
business.
ianao dia manao business Jesosy.
So you think your mother was giving
Ianao
birth to
mieritreritra
you.
hoe ny renao niteraka anao. Ny renao niteraka ny vatanao no manana ho an'i Jesosy mba hitoetra ao amin'io vatana io.
I'm about to get there. I'm about
Efa
to
ho
get
avy
there.
eny aho, efa ho avy eny
That
aho.
means it is possible to make
Midika izany fa
Jesus
afaka ny
walk in my
possible
body.
ny hahatonga an'i Jesosy ahantra ao amin'ny
Let me go
vatanao.
to that side. That means all of you who are broken,
Midika izany fa ianao izay tsy manam-bola rehetra ireo,
it is you making Jesus
ianao
walk in your
mahatonga an'i
body.
Jesosy lasa tsy manam-bola satria ny vatanao tsy manam-bola,
Jesus has
Jesosy
never
mitoetra ao
driven a
anatinao.
Mercedes-Benz.
Izay mahatonga an'i Jesosy tsy afaka mitondra an'ilay Mercedes
in my
Benz.
body.
Jesosy izy tsy afaka nitondra Mercedes Benz raha tsy hoe amin'ny alalan'ny vatako, izany hoe mila
Jesus
entiko iny
has
zany.
never owned a house
Jesosy tsy mbola nanana
because
trano
you
mihitsy ihany
made him
koa
rent.
satria ataonao lasa mpanofo Jesosy.
I wish I had time to tell you this.
Tena niriko hoe nanana fotoana mba ahafahako nivelabelatra ny
Your
amin'izany.
body is a
Ny
temple.
vatanao dia tempoly.
That's where God stays.
Ao ny toerana
So
itoeran'Andriamanitra.
there should be some households and neighborhoods you should never get Jesus to. I know.
Ka
we're
misy
missing
karazana
this.
trano na voazina izay tsy afaka hidiran'i Jesosy mihitsy zany.
So if I'm renting, Jesus is renting.
Ka raha manofa trano dia manofa trano koa Jesosy zany.
If I sleep without eating, I'm making Jesus
Raha matory
hungry
ka
that
tsy ny
night.
sakafo dia mahatonga an'i Jesosy lasa honona amin'iny alina iny.
A body you prepared for me,
Ny vatana izay nomaninao
making
ahy,
a decision on your behalf.
izao no manapa-kevitra eo amin'ny toeranao.
Jesus will experience prosperity in you.
Jesosy dia hiainana izany fanambinana izany amin'ny alalanao.
He can get it to you.
Satria raha tsy afaka azony avy aminao ilay izy dia tsy afaka omeny anao.
Hear me well.
Eny tsara.
But for us to get to that level,
Fa afatsika mihitra am'izay ambara tonga izay kosa
in the realm of the spirit,
ao amin'ny tontolon'ny fanahy misy ny antsoina hoe ADN.
Something that when you get to know, I'm connected.
Zavatra tokony atonganao tonga saina hoe ianao dia connecté amina zavatra anankiray.
Service. And I was just
Namonjy ny
sitting
fotoam-bavaka ka
there,
ny
and Pastor
lehilahin'Andriamanitra
Chris
Pastor
is
Chris
ministering.
moa
As he's ministering,
dia rehefa
he
nitoro
begins
teny
to
teo
talk
izy
about
dia
the
nanomboka
things
niresaka
that he's
mombana
doing and the
zavatra
ministry he's
ataony
doing.
sy ny
And I
ministera
looked
zay
at it and I
ataony dia
said,
nijerevako
what
hoe
are you saying?
andraso aloha ino
They
zany zavatra
distributed
zarainao
22
zany
billion
eritrereto hoe
copies of
nizara
Rhapsody.
kopiana 22
22
milliards zareo.
One Rhapsody, you might print it if you were
Ny
going to use.
Rhapsody anankiray mety
Try to
hoe
find a printer and say how many pages. On average, is
mety hoe eo amin'ny
$1.26.
$1
So if you bring 22 billion, you use almost
$26 eo
$30
zany.
billion.
Zany hoe raha télécharge na hoe manao impression na 22 milliards zany izy dia midépenser eo amina 30 milliards de dollars eo dia teo tonga saina hoe tena zanako io lehilahy io tokoa ve sa hoy aho misy zavatra tokony ataoko nialako le fotoam-bavaka nitsanganako tamin'izy nitory teny iny.
I called my guys in Zimbabwe. I
Tonga
said,
dia natsoko ny olona
I
tany
need a
Zimbabwe
city like this
hoe
one.
enao mila tanàna ohatran'ity ihany koa aho.
Meanwhile, we were in a city with thousands of hectares.
Tamin'izany moa tena hoe 1000 hektara ny toerana nisy anao
7,000
tamin'izay.
seater, 5,000 seater, all the halls there.
Ny toerana rehetra eo tena hoe anaky fito be zao mihitsiny ny grande salle ao dia misy hôtel tena hoe tanàna be dia zao ina zany ataoko amin'ny fiainako zany.
I said I cannot have this DNA.
Hoy hoe tsy afaka manana an'izany ADN zany kanefa izao fotsiny fiainako tezitra tamin'ny tenako aho dia hoy hoe tena hoe tsy mety ny fampiasaiko an Jesosy amin'ny ato amin'ny vatako ato. Dia natsoko io olona io zany dia hoy hoe amin'ny alatsinainy te hainao hoe nividitsika daholo ny tanàna rehetra teo. Nanam-bola ve isika tsia fa ny Baiboly miteny hoe tongava aty ho an'izay tsy manam-bola hozy izy dia mividiana. Tongava aty izay tsy manam-bola dia mividiana.
You know me, I can stand and say, how much is this building? They say
Zava
it's 2
afaka
million.
mijoro
I say,
dia
okay,
miteny
I
hoe
have a
ohatriny ity
deposit.
bildiny ity.
They say, well, how much? $10,000. So
Hoe
can we
2
get the 10,000 now? I say,
millions
no,
dia
no,
hoe
no.
afaka
In 30
mametraka
days.
mametraka avance ohatrao ve za dia hoe rovinany ny azahoako ny ambon'ilay vola dia hoe ameko fotoana ianao tongava hozy izy ny Baiboly izay tsy manam-bola dia mividiana.
Within 24 months, you get all your money. I can even put 200,000 on top.
Za moa afaka miteny hoe anaty taona ho azonao daholo ny volanao.
There is nothing. Listen to me.
Enoy tsara.
This season you are in.
Vanim-potoana misy anao io aza mieritreritra ny hoe ahoana ny azahoako ho tonga aminao io fananana izay ilainao io trano io vola io tonga ao amin'ny volanao zany ny business tianao atao ho azonao zany tononiko zany hitranga eo amin'ny fiainanao.
To get to a location
possible ny afanao tonga amina toerana atonga an Jesosy lasa tsy mahazo ny karazan-javatra maro satria tsy fantatsika hoe iza isika. Aftoana ianao manomboka misafidy hoe ianao nitondra ny fanatrehan'Andriamanitra dia afaka mitranga ny fahagagana rehetra afaka ataonao izay zavatra ataonao rehetra.